After restoring dozens of antique radios, I'm excited to share my step-by-step process with you. If you're someone who's looking to get into this awesome hobby or just enjoy watching the restoration process, you've come to the right place, so stick around. Hi everyone, I'm Jim Hounshell and welcome to the Old Radio Revival. I'm really glad you're here today. Before we dive into our first restoration, I want to take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about myself and what you can expect from this channel. Restoring antique radios is a hobby of mine, something I've come to really enjoy over the years. I got started the way a lot of folks do, by watching YouTube videos, reading books, and spending time in online forums. I don't have an electronics background, and I don't claim to be an expert in radio restoration. Not at all. I probably only know a fraction of what someone with formal training in electronics would know. So if that's you, there may be moments where my methods seem a little unconventional or even frustrating, but that's okay. I'm still learning, and that's the journey I want to share with you. That said, I've had a lot of success bringing these old radios back to life, getting them working again and looking beautiful in the process. And that's really what this channel is all about, taking something that's been forgotten or left for dead and making it sing again. Whether you're a beginner wanting to learn the basics or just someone who enjoys watching the process, I hope you find this channel both helpful and enjoyable. Each video will walk through the steps I take during restoration, from cleaning the chassis to replacing parts, and yes, there will be some trial and error along the way. Remember, I'm still learning too. But before we jump into the technical stuff, each video will start with a short message, something that connects what we're doing with a simple truth from the gospel. Now, I'll be honest, sharing my faith hasn't always come easy for me. It's something I've struggled with, but I believe God gives each of us talents and passions, and one way I can honor that is by using this hobby to also share a little bit about what I believe. Just a minute or two to connect restoration of these old radios with the restoration that's available to every one of us through Jesus Christ. I hope that won't scare anyone off. This is still a channel about restoring radios, but my hope is that those brief messages might be encouraging to you, just as the restoration process itself can be. If you're brand new to the hobby, be sure to check out my Beginners series. It'll give you a strong foundation and cover the essential things every beginner should know. Honestly, even if you've been at it for a while, you might find something helpful in those videos, so I encourage you to give them a look. Whether you're here to learn or just enjoy the ride, I think you'll find this channel is a great place to get your hands dirty, learn at your own pace, and maybe even be inspired along the way. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm really excited to have you along for the journey. Now let's get started.